Preparing gluten-free cookies is a bit difficult task. Today I'm going to share with you a tasty, chewy gluten-free cookies loaded with almond slices. This recipe is very simple. Let's start. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special gluten-free almond cookies. Roast the watermelon seeds on a low flame by stirring continuously for 3 minutes. For this recipe, I'm using 300 grams of watermelon seeds without their out shell. After 3 minutes, take out and let them cool down. After watermelon seeds cools down, drop them in a blender jar and blend into fine powder. After blending into powder, drop it in a bowl and keep it aside. Now in a mixing bowl, take 130 grams of room temperature unsalted butter and whisk it to get a creamy texture. When butter turns to a creamy consistency, take 100 grams of powdered sugar. Add half quantity to the butter and continue to whisk. When first part combines well, add remaining half part and continue to whisk. When all the sugar powder combines well, take 1 egg. Break in a small bowl. To this, add 2 ml of vanilla and 2 grams of salt. Mix it with fork. Now add half of the egg mixture to the butter and whisk. When first part combines well, add remaining egg mixture and continue to whisk. When egg mixture combines well with the butter mixture, take out the whisk. Now, through the sieve, sift in watermelon seeds powder. Now in cut and fold method, mix dry and wet ingredients. Now our butter mixture and watermelon seeds powder mixed well. Take 120 grams of almond slices. From this, keep some slices for decoration and add the remaining into the mixture. Now mix in cut and fold method slowly. When almond slices distributed throughout the mixture, take a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now with the help of ice cream scoop, take the batter and drop it on a baking tray. You can do this with a spoon as well. These cookies will melt and becomes double in size, so keep enough space between. At last, decorate it. Drop the almond slices on the top and press them gently. Now bake in preheated oven at 170 to 180 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, my cookies are ready. Look at the color. It's uniform and I'm getting good flavor from the cookies. These cookies are 100% gluten-free and very nutritious.